Good morning, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and I'm going to do another video. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, 2019, and I am coming to you from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I hope everyone's having a great day. And first off, I want to thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, and hopefully you'll get some value out of this. Today, I'm going to talk about how to make money selling Clickbank products. Um, there's a few things that's involved with that. First off, let me show you um, if you haven't already got an account with Clickbank, it's all free. You can be a Clickbank affiliate, it's totally free. You just go to clickbank.com, create a username, and be sure and write this down somewhere so you'll always remember it. And username, and then you're going to do a password and write this down. The password, they you have to have at least two capital letters, two small case letters, two numbers, and two different looking things like pound or asterisk or something like that. So their password's a little different than other ones. So please be sure and write that down. Um, so that's how you create your ClickBank account if you haven't already got one. And then you just log in. God, I hate these things. And you do a traffic lights here. Okay, I think that's got it. Oh, God. I hate these things. Jeez. Okay, now I'm in. Now, the first place you want to go to, you want to read over all this, but to find products, you're going to go to Marketplace. And this is where everything is at. I mean, they got a ton of stuff. When you click on it, it just takes you to so many pages of that e-business and e-marketing. I mean, there's just tons of stuff. I mean, pages, 44 pages of just that. So there's plenty of stuff to sell from ClickBank. You just got to find the right product. And in here, they'll explain to you like maybe like the best one to find. You can set this up for popularity, gravity, and stuff. I usually go by popularity at the time, but a lot of that will be explained in here. I'm going to go another route with the video here and show you some of the best ways to do this. Um, let me come back to a full screen here for a second. I'm going to show you some other things. But what I'm getting ready to show you is not only I started the video off on how to make money with ClickBank products, selling ClickBank products, but to sell ClickBank products and be successful at it, you've got to have people to sell it to. And I'm going to tell you some of the wrong ways to do it. Is to get an affiliate link from ClickBank, come to Facebook, and blast it on your profile or blast it in groups. I mean, you will get a sale or two here or there, but that's not the right way to do it, and it'll actually turn people off. But the best way to do stuff like this is to have a list. Now, most people that's probably listening to this at the time have no list. So to get a list real quick, you can like pay for solo ads, and those work fairly decent. It's according to if you got a good solo ad provider. There's a lot of things going in. You got to pay for it. So what I've got is a where you can start today with at least 100 new leads. These are business opportunity seeker leads. These are people that have went out and they're out there online for something. They were going out online to buy something, and when they bought that something, whatever that something may have been, they were also asked another question toward the end. Would you be interested in starting a business online, making money online, something of that sort? And they check that box. So they're called co-rep leads. They're actually very responsive leads because these are people that are actually already interested in possibly what you have. So they're not like totally cold leads. They're people that have actually asked for stuff. So I've had good success with this in like 6 days, just selling this system. But the thing is, once you get these leads, you can get 100 leads every single day of the month. So it's 3,000 a month of these good leads. And you can take your ClickBank of products, whatever that may be. This don't even have to be ClickBank. This could be any affiliate marketing, whatever that is. This could be a network marketing business. This could be anything. These people are right there waiting for you. And see, what you do is we give you the email swipes. You actually get a lot of email swipes from the product on ClickBank itself, and they're actually very good. And they've got links, sales pages, things like that. But in this marketing system, this sales email system that I'm talking about, we have email swipes for you. We even have made for you funnels to actually bring people into this system, because once you have one sign up in this system, you now start getting 200 leads a day. Mine came on day number 2. I started getting 200 leads a day. And as of this morning, I have 1,700 leads. And that just grows every single day, 200 a day, 200 a day. My sponsor has almost 36,000 leads that he gets a month right now. And his goes up 200 every day also. So this is very, very powerful. I just sent off a ClickBank product to 1,700 leads, and of course that was just a few minutes ago. So I have no idea how that's going yet, but that grows every single day. And if you don't have people to send your product to, I mean, who's going to buy it? I mean, like I said, you'll get a buy here or there on Facebook, but it's pretty rare that that happens. So what I want to do is switch back here and show you what I'm talking about real quick. We even got a special Facebook group also for this. But the name of the company, the business, is My Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret. Let me log in real quick and show you what this looks like. Okay. Got an emailer system inside. Everything's right in there for you. A lot of this you can just click and it goes straight to your page, and it goes, it sends it automatically. Like here's my leads right here. And these are real leads, people. I get 200 more in 14 hours. You can send out a email broadcast once a day in 24 hours. 2, 4, 6, 8,000, 1,200, 14, 15, 1,700 leads, and I'm going to have 200 more in 14 hours. Okay, and here's the mailing system. The way I usually do it, mail by date, and you select all, and they'll pop over here. I can't do that now because I just sent some out. Send from my name. You could send this way also. I usually have my name because I want to build up a rapport with everyone. And then, for instance, I could just click on saved emails, click on that one, and it'll self-populate down here. The subject line, it puts everything up here for you. Or you can do it yourself if you have your own. Once you write an email and save it in here, it's always in here. You can put like first name fix and the subject line. I'll put their first name and then a subject. And then we'll show you how to copy this and then delete it. And then it'll all populate. And you can do just like anything else, put images in here, your links, all that's in here. Now we have a Facebook group. Once you join, you get added to this. This is a very powerful group. We're talking big time marketers in here. We have beginners, we have intermediate, and it's really one big happy family here because everyone helps everybody out. In the unit section is how you get started in here. Tells you step by step what to do, how to do it, how to make money. Then we have a files section. We have people, good marketers, that have put their email swipes in here for us to use. All you got to do is change your affiliate link. All this is what you get in here. This is all free, all free. And I'm not sure how many members we have now. 1,660 right now. But this growing every day. This is very, very powerful. I'd seen my sponsor doing videos on this for a couple weeks, and I thought, I think he has something here. This is something powerful. Now, something else, you get paid for someone signing up on the system. Let me show you that real quick, because my sponsor right now is making residual income of about 3,500 plus a month residual income just from this system, just selling this system. And let me show you how this works. On your first level, you'll make $5. Second level, $4. That's like if someone on your that you signed in, they got someone when you make $4 off of them, and on down, down, down. Third level, $3. Fourth level, $2, and the fifth level, $1 a month. All that will add up. You can start getting thousands of people in here under you. That's going to add up to some money right there. But besides that, just look at the power of all the people you're going to have to email things to. Anything you have, you can email. Any Clickbank product, email them. It's that simple. And what we also have is called a lead swap. Every Friday, you download your leads. You don't have to do this. You can if you want to. There's almost 200 people out of the 1,600 doing this right now. You download your leads. You send them in to a gentleman that's in the group. He sends all the leads that everyone that gets in the lead swap does. He sends them to Clean 13. It's a system that cleans the emails. It takes out duplicates, gets bad at spam, gets bad at bad emails, and cleans it up. When it's all said and done, about 2 days later, he sends those leads back to you. Okay. When they first went in, there was about 250,000. He cleans them up. You're going to have over 100,000 leads that's sent back to you that you can do whatever you want with. This is every week. You get over 100,000 leads every week. And we show you in here how to get your own self-hosted autoresponder, how to take care of that for less than $100 a year. Step by step, we show you exactly how to do that. But you actually don't even have to do that. You can actually use your own Gmail account. You can use a Gmail account and just BCC everyone and do about 50 at a time. I mean, it's that simple. You can start that simple. I mean, it's actually free at that point if you just do it that way. But once you get in here and get started and get going, you're probably going to want the self-hosted autoresponder where you can blast out you have to warm it up over about 45 days of doing like 50, then 100, then 500, and build it up to where you're going to be doing about 5,000 emails out an hour. And I said that's an hour. And this is for less than about $100 over a year to have that self-hosted autoresponder set up. But this is the way to get your Clickbank selling system going, to have people. I mean, here in just a little while, you could have at least 100 more people to send that to. The next day, another 100, next day, 100. And you sell the system one time, you get one person to buy it, you get 200 a day. And all of this is for $30 a month. That's all it is. It's $30 a month, and you can have this. I mean, that comes out to, if you only get 100, that's, what is it, $1 for an email for a lead? I mean, that's crazy. The amount of leads you get for $30. And like I said, this keeps building and building. So do what's right for you. If you can't get in now, get in when you can. But it's $30 is all it takes, and you can start emailing people. You could have over 1,000 emails this week or close to it to new people to be emailing. So in the link, there's going to be a link below in the description if you want to take a look at this system. But I highly encourage you to get involved, take a look at this, and take the step and get those leads coming in today. I really highly recommend that. I mean, it's really done a lot for me because over the years, I just procrastinated, never really built a list. So this has definitely helped. I'm up to 1,700 now in the first week. So with that being said, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and take off. If you got any kind of value out of this, I really would appreciate it if you'd like the video, give it the thumbs up, And I would really like for you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell where you get a notification when I'm doing another video. So hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I do really appreciate you watching the video, and have a great day. We will talk to you later. Bye.